일단 디업을 위해서 A, G, E, U. 그 다음에가 아보나. 그 다음에가 GBN.
Cessna 6 Whiskey Whiskey, cross runway 7 right, Bravo 9, your taxi power via Charlie.
Cessna 6 Whiskey Whiskey, cross runway 7 right, Bravo 9, your taxi via Charlie to your parking.
빅토 66. 원업 체크리스트. 네, 쿤바. 올 템퍼레처 인그린 아크 체크. 호텔 1800. 우리가
Ghibli Tower, Skyhawk 14053, Charlie 2 runway 7 right, ready to go.
System 14053, Devalid Tower, hold short of runway 7 right.
Original 7 right, 053.
Devalid Tower, Mesquite 674, going to run.
Mesquite 674, make right traffic, runway 7 right.
Right traffic 7 right, Mesquite 674.
Cessna 372, runway 7 right, cleared touch and go. There'll be a departure prior to your arrival. I will call your base.
Clear touch and go for 372, and I'll wait for your call on base.
Cessna Mike Echo, turn right, Charlie 6, contact ground.
Charlie 6, contact ground, 9 Mike Echo, good day.
Cessna 053, right turn approved, runway 7 right, Charlie 2, clear for takeoff, wind 10011, gust 20.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7 right and right to traffic, 053.
Cessna 053, southwestbound or right close traffic?
Southwestbound and right to close traffic, 053.
Cessna 053, disregard, just fly straight out until advised.
Straight out until advisory 053.
Straight out. 네, 나가시죠. 그러지 퍼플. Another maintain center line.
Mesquite 674, number 2, follow Cessna Freeway, final.
Live.
Number 2, follow Cessna, Mesquite 674.
State. 네, 바람에 밀리죠. 지금 완전 딱 정측풍이네요. 네.
Traffic inside, Mesquite 674.
Mesquite 674, roger, runway 7 right, number 2, clear touch and go. Clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, Mesquite 674.
Cessna 14053, right turn to southwestbound is approved.
Right down and southbound approved 053.
좀 더 가서, 좀 더 올라가셨다가 제 고도 너무 많이 낮아가지고요. 네. 네. GPS 따라가시면 됩니다. 옵스터클 뒤로 넘어갔을 때 도실게요. 네. 생각보다 오늘 많이 안 올라가네요. 아침부터 너무 더워가지고 이미 뭐 온도가 40도기 때문에 우리가 한 10시만 이렇게 출발하면 학교에서 안 줬을 거예요. 바인더를 너무 덥다고. 네, 롤아웃 한번 하시고 원우원 넘어가면은 바로 들어가실게요. 네.
Winnie 90230, Mike, if able, make left turn off of 4, taxi to park and monitor ground frequency.
Okay, left off of 4, monitor ground 30 Mike, and we'll be taking off again at about 7 minutes.
네.
Winnie 30, Mike, roger. Altimeter 29er, 9er 8. Expect visual approach, runway 1 is in use. Advisories, Luke Tower and Luke Approach are closed. Hazardous weather information for Arizona is available on high WASD flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, you have information golf. Glendale Tower, information golf, time 1.
오케이, golf. 네, 2500이요. 네. Okay, traffic inside, turn on 9 o'clock direction.
Traffic.
네, 이제 저쪽으로 가주죠. 은색 스타디움 보이세요? 네. 네, 저걸 따라 가실게요. 네. 12.8. 언제 돌아갔지?
Gateway Tower, Skyhawk 14053, and request frequency change.
Cessna 053, frequency change approved, continue southwest bound.
Southwest bound and frequency change approved, 053, good day.
T289, right close traffic approved, runway 7 right Charlie.
Good morning, Glendale Tower, Skyhawk 14053.
Skyhawk 15043, Glendale Tower.
Skyhawk 14053, just departure from Diablo Airport, information Golf, request southwest transition to Goodyear.
Cessna 14053, transition to Glendale Class C airspace is approved at or above 2,600, Glendale altimeter 29er7.
And 907, and southwest transition approved, and maintain 2,600, 053.
2600 유지해 주실게요. 네. 여기가 아니지. 118.35.
Temperature 38, dew point 12, altimeter 29906. Runway 3 in use, expect visual approach, runway 3. Advise on initial contact, you information Golf. Good airport information Golf, time 1547 Zulu, wind 110 at 9er. Temperature 38, dew point 12, altimeter 29906. Runway 3 in use, expect visual approach, runway 3. Advise on initial contact, you information Golf. Airport information Golf, time 1547 Zulu, wind 110 at 9.
저기 스타디움 넘어가면은, 네, 아마 GPS 따라서 아보나 포인트로 가시면 될 거예요. 자, 이 자동으로 바뀌겠죠? 네, 네. 은색 스타디움이 뭐라더라? 풋볼. 그러니까 풋볼 될 거야 아마. 풋볼 경기장. 네. 근데 저희가 봄이래요. 풋볼 경기장인데.
풋볼이 실내도 있구나.
네, 여기 너무 더워가지고 여기만 이제 그렇다는. 저도 잘은 모르겠지만 아무튼 여기는 네, 뚜껑이 있다 들었습니다. 저기 이제 오른쪽에 동네 쫙 있잖아요. 네. 제가 저번에 말씀드렸던 선시티, 네, 실버타운.
대박난 곳.
네, 빌 게이츠도 투자한다는 대박난 곳.
Cessna 053, first change is approved.
Frequency change approved, 053, good day. Goodyear Tower, Skyhawk 14053.
That's 14753, Goodyear Tower.
Good morning, Goodyear Tower, Skyhawk 14053, just departure from Glendale Airport to request the southwest transition information Golf.
Cessna 053, transition approved at about 2,500, Goodyear altimeter 29906.
906 and 2,500 southwest, correction, southwest transition approved 053.
네, 계속 요거 따라가시면 돼요. 네. 얘네 무전기 상태가 좀 메롱이네요. 저쪽에 전에 말씀드렸던 비행기 그 무덤 있거든요. 네. 무덤까지는 아니고 그냥 보관 정도? 네. 아, 저기 막 747도 있고 뭐 그렇대요.
뭐가 있어요?
747도 있고,
아...
네, 뭐 큰 비행기들도 있고 그렇다고 하네요. 패턴 도는 관도 있고, 여기 스카이팀 도장한 것도 한 대 있고요. 회색으로 저쪽 오른쪽 끝에. 네. 747도 한 대 있고, 사우스 웨스트도 있고. 근데 예전에 비해서 비행기 많이 빠졌네요. 예전에 더 많았다고 들었는데. 737이 제일 많네요, 역시. 야간에 가니까 여기 뭐 아무것도 안 보였잖아요. 네.
Cessna 053, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 053, good day.
어디 보자. 이제 1500 안 되고 여기서 한 5,500까지 올라갈게요. 네.
Phoenix approach, Skyhawk 14053.
Skyhawk 14053, Phoenix approach. Phoenix altimeter is 2997, say position and request.
2997, just for now departure from Goodyear Airport, 2,800, climb to 10,500, request a flight following to Montgomery Airport, Kilo Mike Yankee Foxtrot.
And November 14053, what's your type of aircraft one more time?
Cessna 172 with the Golf 053.
November 14053, thank you. Phoenix altimeter is 2997, squawk 1636.
2996 and squawk 1636053.
November 053, you're ready to contact about 5 miles south of Goodyear. Cleared through the Bravo airspace, come to your requested altitude is approved.
Clearance to Bravo airspace, 053.
오케이, 1500까지 쭉쭉 올라가시죠. 네. 날이 좀 더우니까 한 요 정도 속도 유지하면서 천천히 올라갈게요.
And November 14053, how are you going to navigate to Montgomery today?
For now, going to Hillaband VR, then follow the Victor 16 and the Tango 326 and direct to Montgomery Airport 053.
November 053, thanks.
아, 빅터 16가 아닌데 66인데 잘못 말했네요. 네. 16라고 그랬죠 아까?
네, 그런 것 같아요.
맞아요.
Phoenix approach, okay, understand 7 right, and you said comply with the speeds on the arrival or faster?
United 1895, yes sir, that's correct.
United 1895, roger.
American 876, contact approach 126.6, good day.
266, American 876.
얼마나 걸리려나?
Mesquite 714, traffic 1 o'clock, 1 mile, northbound, 6,500
3시간
indicated.
정도 걸리네요. 네.
Mesquite 714, student solo, roger.
지금 이게 보니까 뭐 리시브나 전송이 안 되게끔 되어 있는데 혹시 설정에서 뭐 확인해 보시겠어요? 뭐 리시브 아니 와이파이가를 한번 건너.
Phoenix approach, Mesquite 714, student solo, I have Hillaband Airport inside.
Mesquite 714, roger. The previously called traffic no factor. Radar services terminated. Squawk 1200 for change approved. Have a great day.
Frequency 040, squawk Wi-Fi, have a good day. Mesquite 714, student solo.
대인들 카피 쉐어링 한번 카피 쉐어링 켜져 있죠? 껐다 한번 다시 켜보시겠어요? 다시 도착했습니다. 네, 한번 볼게요. 한번 거기 맵 눌러보세요. 다시 맵 탭. ForeFlight 껐다 켜보세요. 어플을 이렇게 홈 버튼 2번 눌러서 네, 위로 올려서
U9 at 1895, you can delete all the speed restrictions now. The speed's your discretion.
Speed our discretion, United 1895, thanks.
이상하네요. 왜 안 되지?
Southwest 4331, flight level 207, descending via the Eagle 6R now with Romeo.
Southwest 4331 Phoenix approach, thank you. Expect the visual approach runway 8 and you can delete speeds on the arrival.
Please the speeds, expect 8, South 4331.
네, 라우트입니다. 네.
Approach Southwest 5538, 16-2, descending via the Hyder 17 right with Romeo.
Southwest 5538, Phoenix approach, expect the visual approach.
Your control?
And United 1479, stand by what we got to get from South Bay. Sun Country 401, contact SoCal approach 124.35, good day.
124, this 135, Sun Country 401.
American 2671, descend to maintain 12000.
보시면은
2000 American 2671.
American 639, contact LA
이쪽에
Center
내려가는 비행기들 보이시죠?
126.77, good day.
얘가 지금
American
쪽으로 내려가죠 지금.
1902 Charlie Papa, descend to maintain 16,000,
나중에
Imperial
얘네
altimeter
뜨는 게 전부 다
2984.
저쪽으로 돌아서 가는 거예요. 우리가 지금 스코어 포인트로부터 저 썬더스톰이 대략 한 25마일 정도 돼요. 우리가 최소 20마일 이상 피해줘야 되니까 여기서
United 803, climb maintain 10,000, direct fueling approved.
그래서 우리는 계획을 변경해서 쿤바 포인트에서부터 줄리앙 VOR까지 그래서 이 에어웨이를 날려버리고요. 여기서 쿤바에서
90 Charlie Papa will go. 90 Charlie Papa, I can come left at 270 for now.
Okay, roger, number 2 Charlie Papa, and fly heading 270 now.
270.
Passing 13 for 14. Mango 55, LA Center, roger, thank you. Clear direct Nishi.
네, 헤딩 222.
네, 아니 이쪽이 좀 검해서.
Southwest 5824, amend altitude, maintain 9,000, and contact approach on 124.35 today.
2435 down to 9000, Southwest 5824.
General Skyho 14053, traffic in sight.
053, roger. There's another one right above you, descending at a 10,000 for 7,000. Caution wing turbulence.
053.
저는 저게 웨이크 터뷸런스 있으니까 네, 저 라우트 얘가 이 라우트 따라 지나갔거든요. GPS 라우트. 네, 거기만 피해서 갈게요. 네, 일단 6,500 유지해 주시고 웨이크 터뷸런스가 생각보다 737 거 맞으면은 난리 나요. 그렇죠. 네, 그래서 얘 좀 지나가고 나서 네, 이제 5,500까지 내려가시고요.
Number 053, traffic no factor, maintain at or above 4,000.
4000, 053.
GPS 가이던스 디렉 넣어놨으니까요. 저거 쓰시면 되고.
As this weather information is available on high watch flight service frequencies, advise initial contact of information Foxtrot.
Foxtrot.
Return information Foxtrot 1853's observation 1200 at 8, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 31, dew point 15, altimeter 2987, distant lightning to the east. ILS runway 28 right approach in use, landing departing runway 28 right and 28 left.
391 Golf Mike with you 7000.
Number 391 Golf Mike SoCal. Turn 10 degrees right, vector to final, advising you have information Mike.
여기만 벗어나니까 또 화창하네요. 에이.
Number 053, traffic 11 o'clock and 2 miles westbound, climbing at a 2 for 35, a Cessna.
Looking for traffic 053.
네, 요거죠. 요거.
Hotel Marlin 1 Golf Mike has Mike.
Number 4 to number Fox, maintain 3,500 for some traffic.
Maintain 3,500, 735 number Foxtrot.
3868 Tango Bravo, maintain 3,000 for some traffic.
Maintain 3000 for traffic, 868 Tango Bravo.
November 053, you can continue down to 3500 for now.
3,500 descending and traffic inside 053.
3,500.
053, you can continue to descend once you pass the traffic and contact Montgomery 119.2. Have a good day.
After passing traffic, contact 119.2 Montgomery Tower 053. Good day.
오케이, 인사이트 했고 지나갔고 타워 컨택할게요. 네.
Hey, Montgomery Tower, good afternoon. Helicopter Corporate 9 with you, mid-port, like straight out west departure. We have information, Foxtrot.
Corporate 9, Montgomery Tower, thanks. Westbound approved pressure at pilot's on risk, wind 200 at 8.
네, 패턴고도까지
200 at 8, Corporate 9.
내려가실게요. 1500. 네, 헤딩. 보이시죠? 공항 앞에.
One Echo 12, moving to 1 o'clock and about 2 miles, turning downwind 1,300.
보여요. 네, 정면에.
One Echo, thanks.
천천히 이제
Number
계속
2,
내려가실게요.
runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, One Echo.
Cessna, Quebec Alpha, number 1, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
Number 1, 28 left, 8 Quebec off.
Montgomery Tower, Skyhill 14053, 6 miles northeast from airport. Information Foxtrot, request full stop.
Cessna 86 Echo, number 1, runway 28 right, cleared for the option. Traffic will turn left base for the parallel.
Touch and go, 28 right, 86 Echo, we'll look at that traffic.
Cessna 14053, Montgomery Tower, overfly Montgomery at or above 2,500, then enter left downwind, runway 28 left.
Fly over Montgomery Airport at 2,500 and left downwind and request verify runway 053.
Cessna 053, left traffic, runway 28 left.
Left traffic 28 left 053.
Coordinator traffic center
1500 유지하실게요.
left there, the Cessna downwind 1,300.
Copy, side maintaining visual, Corporate 9.
Thanks. That's 1 Echo traffic, pass on your left lower helicopter as you say.
보이시죠? 우리가 125 이쪽으로 들어가는데 오버해서
Cessna 7, Romeo Juliet, follow the Cessna ahead on the downwind. Looks like they're on base now, runway 28 right, clear for the out.
Left
Romeo Juliet, following the traffic, inside cleared number 2, touch and go 28 right.
Montgomery Archer 5 Bravo Mike, information Foxtrot, just over 25, 2,500 inbound, full stop.
Archer 5 Bravo Mike, Montgomery Tower, make left traffic, runway 28 left.
Left traffic 28 left, 5 Bravo Mike.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 73 Tango Bravo, requesting right downwind departure, please.
Cessna Tango Bravo, roger, right down departure approved.
Right downwind departure approved, Tango Bravo, thank you.
이렇게 이제 우리 여기 있죠?
Montgomery, Bonanza November 5, Victor Lima 3,500 with Echo.
Bonanza 5, Victor Lima, Montgomery Tower, roger. Continue southbound over 5 Montgomery at or above 2,500 for left traffic, runway 28 left. You'll be following a Cessna 11 o'clock and 4 miles southbound 2,600.
Southbound 2,500, 5 Victor Lima looking. And Corporate 9 frequency change.
Bonanza 5, Victor Lima, I understand you kind of want priority to the airport. You can just enter a right downwind runway 2 right, enter midfield right downwind runway 2 right.
5 Victor Lima, negative on the priority. We just were not able to use our IFR approach, so we're fine.
지금 메인테인 헤딩
What altitude do you want me to stay at?
Stay Tango Bravo, at or below 2,000 for now.
At or below 2,000, 8 Tango Bravo, thank you.
Cessna 053, traffic 12 o'clock at a mile eastbound, 1,600 restricted below you, Cessna.
Looking for traffic 053.
Tower, Cessna 73 for the number Foxtrot, now 7 miles northeast of the airport. Altitude 3,500, heading to Lake Moray for full stop.
Cessna 734, number Foxtrot, Montgomery Tower, thank you. Yeah, fly to Lake Moray and then straight in, runway 28 right.
Via Lake Moray and straight in, runway 28 right, 73 for the number Foxtrot.
Traffic inside 8 Tango Bravo.
Zoomer 5.
Traffic.
Have that traffic 8 Tango Bravo.
Cessna Quebec Alpha, traffic. Cessna 053, maintain out above 2,000 until advised, I'll call your base.
Maintain 2,000 053.
Cessna 1 Echo, turn left enable, contact ground.
Left take off 1 up the ground, 1 Echo. Montgomery Tower, Cessna 49 Lima Kilo, holding short 28 left, take off for taxiway Delta.
Cessna 419 Lima Kilo, Montgomery Tower, roger, stand by.
그럼 많이 베이스니까요. 익스텐드 하실게요.
Quebec Alpha, I'll call your base. Traffic overhead the airport is restricted above you, the Cessna will be at 2,000.
Okay, you'll call our base 8 Quebec Alpha.
Transit 5 Victor Lima, at your discretion you can Turn left for the downwind entry.
Traffic line currently halfway. We have traffic on the crossway.
네, 레프트 도시면 돼요.
Start your left turn now.
traffic. 지나가네요. 네, 속도 더 줄이실게요. 아직 빨라서 플랩 먼저로 쓰시고 속도 줄이세요.
Can I climb, please?
Yeah, I gave it to you about a minute ago. You can resume your climb. Traffic's 11 o'clock, 2 miles southbound, 3000 Cessna. Cessna 9 Lima Kilo, westbound approved, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
28 left, clear for takeoff, 9 Lima Kilo.
Cessna 8 Quebec Alpha, traffic's departing, you're number 1, runway 28 left, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 28 left, 8 Quebec Alpha, number 1.
네, 2000
Stands up 5, Victor Lima, you're number 1, runway 28 right, clear to land, traffic will turn left base for the parallel.
Clear to land, 28 right, 5 Victor Lima.
Cessna 053, your descent approved, you're following a Cessna, just off, you're heading to your left, 1300.
Looking for Cessna 053.
이거 따라가셔야 돼요. 지금 헤딩이 요거는 헤딩은 요거 맞추시고 잠시만요.
Cessna 7, Romeo J, verify your midfield right downwind.
네,
we're turning crosswind right now, 7 Romeo Juliet.
Okay, roger, thanks. Cessna 866, you're flying a Bonanza at 12 o'clock in about a mile, they're turning base 1200. Traffic inside 860. Cessna 4 number Foxtrot, traffic 1 o'clock and a mile eastbound 2500 climbing is a Cessna.
Looking at for the number Foxtrot.
Cessna taking Bravo traffic at 11 o'clock and a mile southbound 2600 descending Cessna.
메인테인 하실게요.
I have some traffic inside at 1 o'clock, looking for traffic at 11.
Tower 053, traffic inside.
053, runway 28 left, clear land.
Left runway 25 left to 053.
네,
Traffic inside at 11 o'clock, 8 Tango Bravo.
8 Tango Bravo, thanks. Cessna 866, you have the Bonanza off your right side on base.
Bonanza off right, 86 Echo.
86 Echo, thanks. Number 2, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
3 touch and go, 28 right, 86 Echo.
So 7 runway Joe, follow the Cessna, head on the downwind, number 3, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
너무 높아요 지금.
Romeo Juliet, following the Cessna on downwind, number 2, clear touch and go, 28 right.
Cessna 4 number Foxtrot, traffic no factor, and continue to Lake Murray and then straight into 28 right.
Tracking the factor and straight in, running 28 right, 73 for the member Foxtrot.
Cessna 9 Lima Kilo, you start return toward Mission Bay, you're scratching contact number tower 18.3.
Alright, we'll turn to Mission Bay, go to ground number 9 Lima Kilo.
Stands up 5 Victor Lima, turn left, any exit, hold short, runway 28 left, remain in frequency.
Go to the left, 5 Victor Lima.
Bravo Mike Beam Tower.
35 Road Mike, following a Cessna, 1 mile final, runway 28 left, clear for the option, then left traffic will turn right base for the parallel.
Right on, looking for that traffic, 5 Bravo Mike.
Cessna 4 number Foxtrot, so your turn inbound now, please.
Turn inbound now, 73 for the member Foxtrot.
Stands 5 Victor Lima, cross runway 28 left at Mike, without delaying, contact ground.
Everyone, left. Montgomery Tower, Skyhawk 172 Romeo Whiskey, holding short of 28 left, waiting IFR release.
Skyhawk 172 Romeo Whiskey, Montgomery Tower, hold for release.
Montgomery Tower, Skyline 756 Romeo Alpha is just off the script spear at 3500, inbound for full stop landing with information, Foxtrot.
Skyline 756 Romeo Alpha, Montgomery Tower, fly South Mount, Soledad, left traffic, runway 28 left.
South Mount, Soledad, left traffic, 28 left, 756 Romeo Alpha.
Tower 8 Quebec Alpha, is our 10 o'clock a departure?
8 Quebec Alpha, yeah, he's going southbound to Mission Bay. You can turn crosswind.
Okay, thanks.
Cessna 4 number Foxtrot, and make straight in runway 28 left now, please. Straight in 28 left, Cessna 4 number Foxtrot.
Change to runway 28 left, straight in, 73 for the member Foxtrot.
Tower 053, go around.
053. Roger. Continue left traffic.
Left to traffic and traffic inside 053.
Thank you.
Right, Bravo Mike on base.
Bravo Mike, affirmative, number 1, runway 28 left, cleared for the option.
2 left, clear for option, Bravo Mike.
Cessna 4 number Foster, following a Cherokee, 12 o'clock and a mile left base, the final 1100.
Line check, good.
Traffic inside, 73 for the member Foxtrot.
Cessna 4 number Foster, thanks. Follow the Cherokee, runway 28 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land, 73 for the member Foxtrot.
Cessna 23581, Montgomery Tower, visiting.
1500이죠? 네. 오케이.
Okay, Quebec Alpha, intervals inside.
Cessna, Quebec Alpha, thanks. Follow the Cessna over the golf course, runway 28 left, clear for the option. Traffic about a mile on trail for the parallel to Cessna.
Okay, clear for the option, 28 left, 8 Quebec Alpha. Montgomery Tower, Cessna 23581, would like to do low approach, then go back to nav to Gillespie.
So 5 581, roger, runway 3 right, clear, low approach, make a right down departure, when you get call.
3400, right down departure to C581.
자, 착풍이 좀 많이 부네요. 네.
Cessna 053, I'll call your base for departure.
You call my base 053.
Cessna 86 Echo, extend down, I'll call your base. Extending downwind, you'll hold my base 86 Echo.
Okay,
Cessna 581 and runway 2 right, clear, low approach, and then make a westbound departure now.
Traffic.
Clear right, clear, low approach, westbound.
했고, 파이널 들어가죠.
581, additional traffic off your left for the parallel Cessna, how's you say?
Inside 581.
Montgomery Tower, Centauri 57679, 2000, platoon us, transition from the east to the west.
Centauri 57679, Montgomery Tower, transition approved, Montgomery altimeter 2986.
2986, 57679.
Wind 19009er.
Traffic.
지금 어비
Cessna 053, and you're actually following a Cessna, just passing off to your left, report in sight.
Traffic inside 053.
053, thanks all the Cessna, runway 28 left, clear land.
Left land 25, correction 28 left 053.
넉넉하게
Montgomery Tower, normal 9, outside normal, tower park of cost 1,500, request the inbound for stop.
몽고메리가 요 구간이 멋있어요. 마지막에 약간 급하게 내려가느라 스냅풀 시퀀스 때문에 미리 스포츠할게요.
Contact ground 73 for the mobile Foxtrot. Good day.
Good day. Aero 95, runway Montgomery Tower 5 southbound, slow down, left traffic, runway 28 left.
In the south of the Montgomery that runway 28 left traffic normal, 9% normal.
Cessna 86 Echo, you can turn base traffic off right for the parallel, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
30 base, 60 Echo, over 28 right.
Cessna 7 Romeo, follow Cessna ahead, number 2, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
7 Romeo Juliet, number 2, clear touch and go, 28 right, request full stop.
7 Romeo, roger, runway 2 right, clear land.
Clear land, 28 right, number 2, 7 Romeo Juliet.
Cessna, go back, all the contact ground, good day. Skyline 6 Romeo Alpha, extend down, I'll call your base for departure.
Okay, extending downwind 756 Romeo Alpha.
지금 저희 보면 택시웨이 세 번째 빠지는 애 있죠?
581, thank you. VFR westbound approved, contact SoCal departure 119.6.
SoCal departure 119.6 to 3561.
빌리는 거 잡아주고
Wind 21087. Cessna 679er, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, 1,700 climbing a Cessna.
바람이 많이 부네요. 네, 좀 붑니다. 골프 원
Cessna 053, turn left there, Golf 1, contact ground 18.22.
Golf 1, contact ground 053, good day.
네.
이렇게 무사히 오늘도 살아서 갔습니다.
버스트 35에서도 내리시는데요?
네, 아닙니다. 자, 오케이. After landing checklist 랜딩 라이트 오프 해주시고요. 네, your control. 네, your control. 저는 할게요.
이거 제가 눌렀었는데?
네, 괜찮아요. 네, 정확히 줄 퍼서 확인하고서.
Montgomery ground, Skyhook 14053, Golf 1, runway 25 left, taxi to Crown Air.
14053 Montgomery ground, taxi via hotel to Crown Air.
Taxi via hotel to Crown Air 053.
여기서 바로 좌회전 하시고요. 호텔 있죠? 좌회전 하시고 여기로 바로 들어갈 수가 없죠? 네, 그래서 여기서 여기 연결된 부분 보이시죠? 하얗게 여기. 네, 여기로 해서 크라운 에어가 저쪽이에요. 네, 잠시만요. 조금 더 가서 헬리팟 두 개 있으니까 저기 택시 보이시죠 앞쪽에? 네, 저기서 트랜시언트 파킹 해서 저쪽으로 라이트 턴 하셔서 카운에어가 네, 라이트 턴 투 라이트 하시면 됩니다. 건물 옮겼나? 네, 저기거든요. 크라운에어. 원래 저기였나? 자, 덥다. 제 기억에는 여기 왼쪽에다 파킹했던 것 같거든요. 일단 왼쪽으로 여기서 도실게요. 볼 데가 없나? 아, 저기 있네요. 저 세스나 A 호텔 옆에. 오케이, 스탑. 네, 프로렌 체크리스트. 네, 파킹 브레이크 셋.
자, 수고하셨습니다.
Everything looking good?
Yeah, good.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
오, 이거 뭐야?